Yo, crypto dynamos. Feast your eyes on this wallet. That's not just digital noise. It's a serious surge of sol, all engineered through precision plays. How'd I electrify my bag? Not by chasing aftershocks, but by creating the lightning. If you're done with dim returns and ready to shine bright, you're tuned into the right frequency. I'm about to illuminate the full path for launching meme coins that truly spark. No static. Let's get amped. Alright, let's be direct. If Pump.Fun is still your chosen circuit for coin launches, you're setting yourself up for a power outage, fam. That platform's an absolute overload, a non-stop flicker of new tokens that spark and then short out. Expecting your project to gain real voltage there? That's like trying to power a city with a watch battery. The high voltage players? They've long since cut that connection. It's now just a zone of dead currents. For genuine high energy profits, you need a stronger, more robust circuit. So, where's the real power flowing? Radium, no contest. This is where top-tier memecoins plug in and energize the market. You'll see fewer launches, but each one is deliberate and potent. Projects backed by real liquidity, rising market caps, and a legit charge toward exponential returns. What sets it apart? Radium demands a bit of coding voltage, which naturally filters out the low-effort static. The result? An ecosystem primed for strategic launches that capture serious attention and generate major wattage on the charts. But I'm about to plug you into the ultimate power source, Pump.Zone.io. This platform is your surge-protected, express line straight to Radium, no complex coding required. Pump.Zone.io takes what used to be a tangled web of dev work and converts it into a few clean, intuitive clicks. It's your fast track to launching like a pro, getting your coin listed where the high-frequency players operate, without the technical overload. First things first, your coin needs a striking visual identity, a logo that's instantly electrifying and conveys dynamic energy. For this venture, we're creating Flashcoin. Think, a sharp, modern lightning bolt, maybe with a bold, vibrant color scheme that really pops. Something that screams speed and innovation. Fire up Canva and set your canvas to 125 by 125 pixels. Design your Flashcoin emblem. Make sure it's sleek, clean, and impactful, then save that graphic. Your coin's brand image? Fully charged. This is your crucial first connection with the market. Don't skip it. Time to bring Flashcoin onto the grid using Pump.Zone.io. And the brilliant feature here? No direct wallet connection for the token creation itself. That means superior insulation for your main assets. Okay, token name, Flashcoin. Symbol, Flashcoin. Quick, catchy, perfect. Tokenomics. See that 1 billion supply? That's the industry standard for a high-impact launch. Leave it precisely as is. Description. For this, I'll just paste in my pre-generated description to keep the current flowing. Now upload that electrifying logo we just designed. Whale metadata. Make absolutely sure this is enabled. It's a significant indicator of transparency and professionalism to serious investors, and helps build that vital initial trust. Definitely keep this switched on. Social links. You can populate these if you have an established online network, but for a rapid and potent launch, I generally choose to bypass this. Radium's own ecosystem provides powerful amplification. Now, the core circuitry of a legit launch. Revoke authorities. Listen very carefully. Revoke mint authority, revoke freeze authority, and revoke metadata update authority. All three of these critical settings must be switched on. This is your unbreakable promise to the market. No possibility of new tokens being generated out of thin air. No ability for you to arbitrarily disrupt trading or freeze assets. And no altering the coin's fundamental characteristics after it's gone live. This is what separates trustworthy projects from potential short circuits. Next up, Pump.Zone.io's intelligent design. Paste your personal Solana wallet address right here. This is the designated wallet where your newly minted Flashcoin tokens will be delivered. Incredibly secure, as your main wallet remains completely isolated during this creation process. Click Create Token. Pump.Zone.io will then display a unique Solana address. This address is for the small Solana minting fee. Copy it, head to your wallet, and send the SOL. Crucial warning. Do not close the Pump.Zone.io page after you've sent the fee. Allow it a few moments, 10, 20, maybe 30 seconds, for the blockchain to confirm and execute the mint. If you close the page prematurely, the transaction might not complete. Just let it finalize, and we have power. Token created. Successfully. Pump.Zone.io now shows your official Flashcoin token contract address. Copy that. Flashcoin is now officially live on the Solana blockchain. A quick verification on Solskin confirms it. Minted and looking dynamic. Now, let's connect it to the main grid. A token without a market is like a light bulb without electricity. Let's get Flashcoin into the Radium trading network. From PumpZone, click Create Liquidity Pool, or navigate directly to Radium. Connect your wallet. For the base token, paste the Flashcoin contract address we just secured. Symbol, Flashcoin, name, Flashcoin. Add and then select it. Your full 1 billion Flashcoin supply should be visible. We're going to deploy 900 million into the liquidity pool to energize trading. Quote, token will be Solana. Max out your available SOL for this liquidity, and make sure to retain about 0.2 SOL to cover Radium's pool creation fee. It's typically indicated. This SOL is your foundational capital that makes the market flow. For the fee tier, 2% is the proven and effective choice. All systems go, click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the transaction in your Phantom wallet. And just like that, Flashcoin is officially live, and ready to send shockwaves through Radium. Now that Flashcoin is live on Radium with active liquidity, it's time to watch the current. Trust me, every new token on Radium attracts immediate attention from the most astute traders. Time to chart our newly minted coin. Grab your Flashcoin address from pumpzone.io or SolScan and head directly to Dex Screener. Here's a quick method. Open any coin's chart on Dex Screener, then go to your browser's URL bar and simply paste your Flashcoin contract address over the existing one. Hit enter and zap. Your live Flashcoin chart appears in all its glory. You'll likely see some instant minor trades. Those are just the network bots doing their routine checks. Totally standard. We're watching for the real signal, substantial organic buy orders from genuine market participants. Hold the presses. What just lit up the screen? Our first major buy order for Flashcoin just struck. A significant bolt of SOL surged in, and you can see the liquidity pool instantly energize and grow. That's the jolt we were looking for. Unreal. Another wave of powerful buys just electrified the chart, even stronger this time. Flashcoin is clearly making a connection and investors are plugging in. Look at that market cap begin to skyrocket. This is the raw adrenaline of a successful launch. Watching the market charge up your creation, this is absolutely electric. A third massive power surge just hit the Flashcoin order book. The situation is rapidly escalating into a full-blown buying storm. FOMO is conducting through the market, and the upward momentum is intense. This is exactly the high-voltage debut we engineered. Flashcoin has blazed an impressive trail across the charts, looking absolutely incandescent. Now, for the most energizing part, securing those hard-earned profits. It's time to harness that power. Head back to your Radium portfolio. Make sure your wallet is properly linked and navigate to the Standard tab. Find your Flashcoin LP position and tap that minus icon. We're withdrawing the entire charge. Max out that slider to 100%. Take a moment. Look at the Solana value you're about to channel into your personal wallet. Looks good, right? Click Remove Liquidity. Approve the transaction when your wallet prompts, and let the blockchain finalize everything. And just like that, you've converted a freshly launched meme into a tangible Solana surge. That's real voltage in your hands. Let me know if you'd like audio timing suggestions or a subtitle-ready version. This particular strategy has proven highly effective. Always remember, in the crypto game, speed and initiative are often rewarded. Now, a vital disclosure. This video is created strictly for educational and illustrative purposes. I'm not a qualified financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies is inherently speculative and carries a high degree of risk, including the potential loss of principal. Your personal investment results may vary significantly. I maintain no financial ties or endorsements from pumpzone.io or Radium. I'm simply sharing a method that has shown real promise. But keep this in mind, strategies like this are extremely time-sensitive. The crypto landscape changes fast. Don't remain a passive observer. Smash that like, subscribe for more advanced strategies, and may your crypto ventures be exceptionally profitable. Until next time.